welcome back to Keyboard Surfers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a quiz in Microsoft PowerPoint. So first of all, you have to open PowerPoint and press on the Office button. Then you have to select on New. Here, you have to press on Install Templates and press on Quiz Show. Then you simply have to press on Create. Let's delete this slide. It's actually a guide about how to use it. You can also read it. So here you can see some sample question and answers. So there are some options, for example, true and false, detailed question and answer, simple question and answer, true and false, and multiple choice. So we will be covering all these in this video. First of all, let's create one of simple, detailed, true or false, and what else is left? Multiple choice. Now we can delete the remaining slides. And match up also, I forgot. Now what you have to do is go to the top and select a title. For example, I am keeping it quiz only. It depends on what topic you are making your quiz. Then you can give some information about the quiz top. For example, topic. So there is no certain topic for this video, so I am just keeping it empty. And you can give by, for example, Vinayak Kumar, or any other name. For example, if you are making this, so you can type your name over here. Then our first type of question is, sorry, this is not a question. Okay, our first type of question is true. Our first type of question is simple question and answer. So here you can give a simple question and add an answer. For example, I am giving a question. Let's say, how many bones does a human have? Okay, then we can give a question mark and set it as question 1. So now we have to give it an answer. Its answer is 206 bones. So this is done. Now you can simply go on animation and select an animation for it. For example, how your slide will come. So let's choose this and select your speed according to you. I would prefer to keep it on slow. So our first question is done. In the last, I will show you how it works. So now let's move on to the second type of question. So second type of question is a detailed answer. Here also you can give, I am giving the same questions. How many bones does a human have? Here also. But here you can add an extra explanation to it. I will show you how. You can give it 2 and give a question mark. We know its answer is 206, but we can give a detail to the answer in this type of question. So let's say we will type, when humans are born, they have more bones than 206, but when they grow, their bones also merge with each other. So after this process, wait a second. So after this process, we have 206 bones. So now we have given an explanation to the answer so that it is easy for the whoever is taking the quiz to understand if it doesn't know. Then our next type of question is true or false. There are two variants for this. First is true first slide is with a true answer and second is with a false answer. Example, in true we can give human have 3 legs. Is it, sorry, 2 legs. Is it true or false? And in the false we can give human have 3 ears. So now we have 2 types of questions, which is a true. So the answer will be true in this one, and in the second one our answer will be false. So let's mark it as 4. So our next category is multiple choice questions. So here you can give some multiple choice questions like which is the tallest mountain in the world. So here you can add some options to it, and first of all you have to see that what your answer option is. By default it will be on A, but you can always change it. So let's say for our first one it will be on C. So move the answer of C to A and move this to C. Now your C is the correct answer. Now you have to add some options to it. So first of all we know its answer is Mount Everest. So let's put it first. Then we can add other like K2 mountain and Lathorst mountains and you can give Kanchenjunga mountain, and in the last you can give any mountain like KBCD. Okay, so our correct answer in this is Mount Everest. So this is also done. Now let's move on to the next type of question. So our next type of question is match the following. So you can simply give match these columns. Match these animals with the material they give us. So we have the question match these animals with the material they give us. So this is done. Now you have to add some options to it. For example, our first is sheep. So sheep provides us wool. So you can see that sheep is here. So here you can type wool. And you can also switch it, for example, if you want it in the second column or any other column. So you can put it here and put this here. So like this you can select that what are the answers gonna be. So sheep was wool. So now we have changed it to, we will set this to wool, and here we can set like cow, and cow gives us milk. So let's set it over here. Milk. Then we can add yak. No, yak also gives us wool, so it will be confusing. So we can add maybe silkworm, which give us silk, and here you can type anything, for example ABCD or anything. Okay, so you know that this answer is this, so let's put it, and this answer is this. Now you have already put all of these questions. If you want more of any type of question, you can simply press on new slide and get all of these types of questions. So now if you want to make your quiz more interactive, you can simply press on animation and give an animation style to each slide. Example this, and set its speed to slow so that people can actually see it. And even if you want to, you can add some transaction sound, so it will make it more interesting. So let's add some sounds and etc. for all these. How many bones? And I would prefer to keep all these animations transaction speed to slow so that the people can notice it. And here also we are going to keep it slow, sound anything. Here also we can put it on slow and sound anything. You can check that which type of sound you like and you can put it over here. Suction, transaction slow. I'm just doing it randomly right now. And hammer and transaction slow. So our PowerPoint presentation is done. In the last you can give a slide which is title slide, not this, sorry, I gave you the wrong one. In the last you can give a section header slide and keep it on the top and give any type of image that you like. For example, we can give any image to it from insert picture, or you can give any GIF also that you have downloaded from Google. So I have a GIF over here, so I can just insert it over here and give it a nice frame. If you want, you can do it full screen also, and let's give it a frame. Let's increase its size a bit, and then you can simply put thanks and do it in the center. Okay, now let's move on that and see that how this works. So let's begin from beginning. Quiz topic, whatever you want to, you can give by Vinayak Kumar. Now you have to press on this. How many bones does a human have? So its answer is 206. So if we will press on this, so we will get the answer, which is 206 bones. How many bones does a human have? So here you can see that we get 206, and we also get an explanation to it. Now our next is human have 2 legs. So this is a true type of slide. So you can see that the answer will come true, and here it will come false because it's a false type of slide. And here you know the answer is Mount Everest. So if you press here, we get the Mount Everest left among these. So this is the correct answer. And if we do this, we match this like cow is equals to milk, sheep is equals to wool, silkworm is equals to silk, ABC is equals to T/H, whatever you want to put, and this is equals to this. And in the last, if you have a GIF, so it will work over here like this. You can also use any highlighter to highlight these questions to make your presentation more interesting. So guys, this was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos. Bye till then.